how to change the native language on the Duolingo app. So to change the native base language on the Duolingo app, click on the flag to the top left of the Duolingo app and then click on the plus button. Now, when you click on the plus button, you will see a lot of languages and you want to locate the languages that you recognize. So all of these languages here are in English, so I understand that if I click on these, then the base language will return to English. So if you don't recognize any of these languages, then scroll down and click on these three dotted lines at the bottom, and this will open up additional languages. For example, there's Arabic here, and there's various other languages if I scroll down. So once again, you have to click on the languages that you recognize. So I'm going to click on Russian. And then we will see that the base language will revert to my native language, which is English. And that is all you have to do. So if this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.